In the digital age, CAPTCHA systems are widely recognized as tools to distinguish humans from machines. Typically, these systems train AI by having humans solve visual or textual puzzles. Flipping this concept on its head, Little Word Workshop introduces a groundbreaking educational tool, the reverse CAPTCHA. This method leverages the mechanics of CAPTCHA to help AI teach humans, focusing on young learners to enhance their spelling and vocabulary skills. What is reverse CAPTCHA? Reverse CAPTCHA in Little Word Workshop transforms traditional CAPTCHA interaction into a learning experience. Instead of verifying human identity, it challenges players, particularly young children, to fill in missing letters and words based on accompanying definitions. This interactive approach not only makes learning fun, but also deepens understanding of language in a playful, engaging way. How it works. Word presentation. The game presents a word with one or more letters missing, displayed as blank spaces or drop-down menus. Contextual clues. Beneath the incomplete word, a definition or a sentence using the word correctly is provided as a clue. Interactive solution. Players select the correct letter from a drop-down menu to complete the word accurately according to the given context. Feedback and learning. Immediate feedback is given after a selection is made. Correct answers are rewarded with animations and praises, while incorrect attempts receive hints to guide the learner towards the right answer. Let's delve into the educational benefits of reverse CAPTCHA. Firstly, it enhances spelling skills by allowing learners to actively construct words, giving them hands-on practice that really sticks. Additionally, it improves vocabulary as the contextual clues help children not just understand how words are spelled, but also what they mean, enhancing both vocabulary and comprehension. The process of gamifying the learning keeps children engaged and motivated, transforming what could be a mundane task into an enjoyable game. And importantly, the game adapts in difficulty based on the user's progress, providing a continuous challenge that grows with their skills. In conclusion, Little Word Workshop and its reverse CAPTCHA technique represent a novel approach to education. This method marries the effectiveness of traditional teaching methods with the interactive possibilities of modern technology. By making learning a dynamic and enjoyable experience, this technique promises to inspire a new generation of learners, making them not only participants in their educational journey, but also enthusiasts eager for more knowledge. Explore how Little Word Workshop can make a difference in your child's learning adventure.